item. She said the sink is leaking on the right hand side, and she sent me a video of it. It was leaking pretty bad. I'm looking down here, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but this sink basket's rusted out. So hopefully I have one on the truck. Let me go see what I got. One on the truck. Here it is. Mine's a little bit shorter than this one, so I'm probably going to have to extend this tailpiece up, but I've got one with me, so that shouldn't be too big of a problem. So let's see if we can get this old one out. Hopefully it doesn't fight us. Loosen this up. Got a magnetic light sticking this one the other side, but every time I bump it, it falls off. Something's moving. This is going to be a problem. Man, that thing does not want to come off there. I think I may have to cut this thing off. I think that's my only option at this point, because it does not want to spin. Alright, let me go get a saw, see if I can cut this thing off. Saw, a brand new PU blade that isn't worth a damn, but hopefully we'll get through this. Right through it. I may have to drill one more slot, but I'm going to try to pop it. Go ahead and pop it now. Let me cut one more slot in. Oh, I was wanting to spin. No, I can't get that one off either. We can cut that one off. you to the rescue. Actually worked pretty good. There we go. Alright. I got the old one out. Let's get the new one ready. Try to get this lip cleaned up best you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Try to get the chunks off in here. Alright, that's pretty good. Basket. Where did I put the new basket? Oh, here it is. So now you can use plumber's putty on this or silicone caulk, either one. I just use plumber's putty. Around this edge. This up, and there it is, ready to go. Now we just have to go down underneath and put it together. The way these go on, first you put your rubber on, then you have a paper, and then your nut. So this paper allows this to slide without messing up your rubber gasket. Just tighten her up and make sure it centers in the drain. I've got a fancy tool on the truck for these, but honestly don't feel like digging it up, so I'm just going to try to use channel locks. Alright, maybe I will go get the fancy tool. I'll be right back. Should have stuck with the channel locks. It's working a lot better. Yeah, now we're making some progress. Alright. Now when the basket starts spinning on you, you can put needle nose in there, hold it in place as you tighten it. Alright guys, we need to cut a new tailpiece. I like to buy these that has the tailpiece on both ends, so you can get two uses out of this. So just hold it up flush with that, and then you can see we got this little bit of play here where the pipe slides in, and we can also got some movement on this pipe. So I'm going to hold it up just a little bit. We'll cut it about right there. Should be good. Just use a hacksaw, nothing to it. Alright guys, I got the pipe cut. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but one thing you do want to do is get these burrs off the pipe so that it's not catching food and hair and whatever else gets put down the drain. Alright, just got that cleaned up. For this piece, you need this. For the top, you come with a metal nut, but I don't really like using metal because they rust. And then here, Come back here. We got this. Come on. All right. Hand tight and just a little snug. The channel lock should be good. All right, let's start this. Get the light on here. There's the new basket. Let's run some water, see what happens. I think we got it. I don't see any leaks. All right. Let's put the basket in here. Do a dunk test on it. All right, I'm gonna let it go. All right, I think we got this one. Thanks for watching, guys.